The Dog and Thief by Jonathan Swift. Quoth the thief to the dog, let me into your door, and I give you these delicate bits. Quoth the dog, I shall be more villain than you're, this sight must be out of my wits. Your delicate bits will not serve me a meal, but my master each day gives me bread. You'll fly when you got what you came here to steal, and I must be hanged in your stead. The stockjobber thus from change alley goes down, and tips you the freeman a wink. Let me have but your vote to serve for the town, and here's a guinea to drink. Says the freeman, your guinea tonight would be spent, your offers of bribery cheese. I'll vote for the landlord to whom I pay rent, or else I may forfeit my lease. From London they came, still people to choose, where lands in the face unknown would vote a rough into the Parliament House, that would turn a man out of his own.